Y'all, cannot find our car. We cannot, like, it's not making no noise, no nothing. Auntie, we're... Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Sanaya, and I am back with another video. For today's video, guys, guess who we're going to go see? Oh, wait. Y'all already know who I'm gonna go see by the title of this video. That's why I clicked on the video, duh. But we're gonna go see my queen, Jhené Aiko, and I'm going with my lovely auntie, Aunt Tamika. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all never miss a video. And also make sure y'all go follow my TikTok and my Instagram, because I be posted on there, like, a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I don't want to miss that. All right. Bye, guys. It is 1:19 now. I'm finna take a shower. So now it is shower time, and now we're about to leave to go to my aunt's house. Okay, y'all, it is currently 2:20. I am ready. Bags is packed. Okay, that has my clothes in it, and I packed an overnight bag also just in case I stay overnight. Makeup. Just waiting on my grandfather to hurry up so we can go. All right, I'll see you on the car. Guys, I'm so excited. My mom gave me some money to spend at the concert, but I'm so excited, y'all. I'm gonna see my queen live in an action, in person, and cry about non-existence relationship trauma, because I am very much still in a happy relationship. It takes like roughly like an hour and 2 minutes, like roughly an hour to get to her house. And I low-key need to charge my phone. So I'm gonna steal my grandfather's charger. Yeah, I'm stealing that charger. All right, bye guys. I will see y'all at my auntie's house. Alright, y'all, I have successfully made it to my auntie's house. It is time for me to get ready. I'm finna start doing my makeup. Auntie, where'd she go? Where'd she go at?
I had to get my bag.
Oh. Can I use this big mirror right here, or do you want me to sit on the floor?
Go ahead.
Because I can sit on the floor right here.
What are you about to do? Your
my makeup.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, okay. Cool.
I keep scared to go home to Philadelphia now. These people are crazy.
Who, my mom said that?
No, I was telling her that.
Oh.
These people are full-blown crazy in Philadelphia. But we'll be fine. And she about to start vlogging, and I said I'm going to go hide in the bathroom. I don't want to hear your vlog.
Guys, I might actually like cry. Like, I might actually shed a tear. Oh my god.
You're doing better?
No.
Well, no. Well, I'm glad Mom to the rescue.
I don't know.
Are you really crying? No, you're not.
Yeah, she is crying.
Oh my god. No. Let me come do it. I got you. You really gonna be crying.
Alright, y'all. Did I take off my makeup and redo my face and have a whole mental breakdown? Yes. Does my makeup look better than it first did? No. Okay, so this is the outfit. Everything. Yeah, you're supposed to. Yeah, there you go. Stop. No, not the toes. They don't get that for free. Auntie gave me these. What are these?
Bangles from
Bangles?
Pakistan, Bangladesh, somewhere. I'm sorry, y'all.
Paxson.
They're from the Middle East.
I decided not to put on lashes because that's a dub. And then glasses from Shein. This was in my Shein haul. This outfit was in my Shein haul. These shoes are from Target. And
You cute?
okay, you can stop.
Okay.
Oh my god, the sunlight is low-key hitting. Wait, the sunlight's hitting, auntie. Was it a good choice that I did no lashes?
Yes.
Are you sure? I feel like you're lying to me right now.
Yeah. Because I thought you already had. I thought you had individuals. Wait, what is it called? The individuals thingies on?
Oh, yeah, no.
Whatever.
I ain't got no lashes.
Oh, like me.
I ain't got no eyebrows either. I be filling them jaws in.
You do. I'm gonna get it together one day. I'm gonna do a soft glam and I'm gonna send it to you. I'm trying to make sure you cool over there. I'm turning the air on for you.
Oh, okay. We whipping them turds.
Oh yeah, we in Philly.
We whipping them turds a little too hard. Yo, I have.
Oh my God! What the hell just happened?
For half a mile. Finished, I will go.
What is this?
Wait, what are they doing?
And why did it just say?
Why are they just sitting there? 16 minutes.
It just said 4. Oh my
Oh,
God!
Lord have mercy on my soul. Wait, why are you getting back on the highway?
So,
You were supposed to go over to the event parking. Oh, Lord.
Oh my
Auntie,
God!
you were not
And
supposed
I
to
think
get
they
on the
did
highway.
same thing too.
No way.
The same.
We done made it in here.
Oh, did you want to try and get something to eat?
Did you want something to eat?
Well, she's done. You want to get something? That's cool with me. I'm not really hungry. I'll eat something.
Oh, okay. Well, then that's fine.
Are you sure?
I think you can push it. Oh my god, I hate spoilers.
You do?
Yes. So I be thinking I'm on fault, and I watched this one episode off of 911, and the SB from under them. And they had to come get him. No, I'm being so serious. They had to come get him. He was almost dead. Oh, he lost the leg.
Oh my God. Well, you want to pay? Lift your dress up. Don't you?
Hey, y'all don't need to see us walking, so I will see y'all at the concert. Guys, your girl is upset. I really wanted her to play Spotless Mind. Like, I'm not gonna get over that.
But she killed it though.
Nah, but she ate that
thing.
up. She did eat that up though.
Wait,
I think
what? I don't like how you just said that phrase. Is that a Florida phrase? What's happening?
What?
Did she just say she ate that out?
No, she ate that up.
Oh, I don't think
Jesus
that's how you're supposed to use that.
Nah. That's not what I
Get my
said.
ears checked.
Oh my gosh, that is not what I said at all.
Different things.
Yo, we dead cannot find our car. We cannot, like, it's not making no noise or nothing. You're back.
Oh no, my car!
Auntie, we're over here somewhere. You said it's a Honda? Oh. Wait, no.
Like that.
This one has a New Jersey.
Wait, this is
Lord have mercy. Oh, you put an air tag in your car?
yeah. Pieces like this.
Did somebody steal it? No, we're on the wrong side. We're on the wrong side. This is executive offices east.
Jeez Louise.
We are on the. So that might be your car
That's
going
my car
off.
probably making all that noise.
Oh
Gotta
Lord.
walk around.
Yes. So we have to go all the way around. Auntie. All right. I'll see y'all when we get to the car.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We made it into the car.
Whoa,
we finally.
whoa,
Oh
my
hello,
God.
hello.
What the hell?
Hello. I would have honked at him. We finally found a car. It's just because my auntie is very directionally challenged. See, like, that's the thing. She's been lived here all her life.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't go to the same places.
No, don't even start, because you come to this center probably every 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. It's only my second time here. My third Saturday gonna be my third. Don't do that.
What?
And I'm gonna get lost then too.
Broken about that. Like,
She's so freaking pretty.
I
Oh
know.
my
She was
God.
beautiful.
She just look like she smells like incense and her crystals.
There was this lady next to us or whatever, and she was smoking. She was like crossfaded. I don't know what she was doing, but she had
drinking
yeah,
and
she was
smoking.
drinking, smoking, whatever. And this lady, she started getting all delirious and everything. She started swaying, and she sat down, and then she like went to go take a drink or whatever out of her thing. She couldn't find her mouth. Like, she was trying to take the drink, and like the straw was like going on the side of her mouth, and she was like trying to find her mouth, and she couldn't do it. And it was like real bad. And then auntie said that she was throwing up in a cup.
She's throwing up in the cup. Ugh.
I said, oh Lord. Okay, hi guys. I am home, and that is the end of this vlog. I am so tired. Look at my makeup. Like, I cried. Like, I bawled like a little baby at that little concert. But one, I'm so pissed that she didn't play Spotless Mind. Overall, I would give the concert a 10 out of 10. It ate down. I loved everything about it. The visuals ate, everything ate. Like, the concert was definitely a 10 out of 10. I would go to another Jhené Aiko concert, definitely, hands down, for sure. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure y'all comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. Also, go follow my TikTok and my Instagram for more behind the scenes beauty tips and updates. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope y'all stay safe, stay blessed. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.